Crafter.ai is a conversational AI SaaS platform, which allows you to create chatbots independently with no need to write code. Compared to other platforms, Crafter.ai integrates a new method to create the latest generation chatbots with a ChatGPT-like conversational experience in a few simple steps. The user does not need to know artificial intelligence concepts, and there is no need for technical or data science skills to use it. You can integrate into other systems such as CRM or ERP, transfer the conversation to an operator via the handover module, integrate the chatbot into social media and instant messaging applications such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. It is also possible to connect chatbots into e-commerce platforms such as Magento or WooCommerce. Furthermore, you can access the conversational insights and analyze data directly through the analytics dashboard of the platform,